with breaking updates coming in, the Congress party is holding a strategy meeting ahead of the polls. So Assam, Kerala and Bihar units will be meeting the top brass. The Congress leaders will be meeting the High Command tomorrow. The Kerala Congress holding a crucial meeting amid the Shashi Tharoor Rao. Remember, Shashi Tharoor has hinted that he has several options, so things have not been too well. He has also met Rahul Gandhi. So amid these murmurs of what's going to happen next, the Kerala Congress will also be meeting the High Command. The Congress party will review the poll strategy with the state units. The Congress party calling a series of meetings with the state units of Assam, Kerala as well as Bihar to discuss the party's strategy for the upcoming elections. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, with polls on agenda, the Congress party calling for the meeting. A lot of focus, of course, is also going to be on what the Kerala Congress unit says, because this comes amid the murmurs of what next for Shashi Tharoor.
Well, indeed, these are going to be a very crucial meetings on the part of the Congress party, as from tomorrow onwards, these meetings are going to begin. And firstly, there is going to be a meeting for the Assam Congress state unit, in which there is not just going to be a discussion about the upcoming assembly elections, but a major takeaway from this meeting is about the continuous demand which is being raised by various Assam Congress leaders to change the PCC president, as many of the leaders are suggesting that it would be very beneficial on the part of the Congress party if Gaurav Gogoi would take upon the post of the PCC president, as he is the person who can take on the Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. As recently we have seen that how a controversy had erupted where a lot of questions were being raised upon the wife of Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, and at that point of time also many of the leaders had suggested that it would be very beneficial for the Congress party if Mr. Gaurav Gogoi would be appointed as the PCC president. Not just that, but in fact on Friday there is going to be a meeting of the Kerala Congress leaders, as this has come amid the controversy which had erupted after the Congress MP Shashi Tharoor had made some controversial remarks, not just about the functioning of the Congress party, but also related to when he had appraised the working of not just the central government, but also the Kerala government, to which many of the Kerala Congress leaders were quite upset over the fact. And in fact, there was also a meeting that had taken place between Mr. Shashi Tharoor and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, in which Shashi Tharoor had questioned the party that what role he is going to play in the upcoming days within the state unit, because he has said that whatever suggestions he gives to the state unit of the Kerala Congress, nothing was being implemented or was even taken seriously, and for that reason the rift is widening within the Kerala Congress state unit. So it is going to be a really crucial meeting which is going to take place on the part of the Congress party on Friday, where all the Kerala Congress leaders, including the MPs, are going to hold a discussion with the party high command.
Okay, all right. So a lot to look forward to. Let's see what happens there. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.